Next is case 2. When the valencies of the metals constituting the electrodes are different. That means different number of electrons are generated in the oxidation electrode and in the reduction electrode. Let us take an example. A galvanic cell may contain electrodes whose metals have different valencies. For example, let us consider the following cell. Cadmium solid in Cd2 plus ions of concentration C1 separated by a salt bridge, silver ions of concentration C2 using silver electrode which is solid. In this case, the valencies of cadmium and the silver are different and are equal to 2 and 1 respectively. That is, cadmium can give 2 electrons. Cadmium will give you 2 electrons, whereas the silver will give you only 1 electron. Now, the half cell reaction. First step is that you write the cell reaction. That is anode reaction and the cathode reaction. Anode reaction or the half cell reaction or the oxidation half cell reaction is cadmium solid gives cadmium ion Cd2 plus of concentration C1 plus 2 electron. Silver ion of concentration C2 accepts 1 electron and get converted to silver solid. That is the reduction half cell reaction. In order to equate the number of electrons in the two reactions, the cathode reaction must be multiplied by 2 and thus the overall reaction can be obtained as follows. We should make the number of electrons equal. For that, the second equation should be multiplied by 2 so that you can cancel the number of electrons. When you multiply the electron at the whole equation, you will get the equation of Cd, that is cadmium solid, plus 2Ag plus concentration C2 gives cadmium 2 plus of concentration C1 plus 2Ag. This stoichiometric factor, please make a note, it is very, very important. According to the Nernst equation for the reaction, 2Ag plus concentration C2 plus 2 electron giving 2Ag solid. That equation can be, applying the Nernst equation should be modified in such a way that electrode potential of the silver electrode is equal to standard reduction potential of the silver half cell minus 0.051, where the temperature you consider as 25 degree, because we did the calculation and we got this value. Now you can write n is equal to 2 because both the reaction n is equal to 2 log to the base 10. The concentration of the solid form is 1, but make a note that the ion concentration 2Ag plus can be written as concentration of Ag plus and raised to the power 2. Whatever be the stoichiometric factor that you see in the equation, that is raised to the power of that number. Don't forget this point. Majority of the students make mistake in solving the assignment. They don't put this stoichiometric factor to the raised to the power of that concentration. And then write the concentration as a subscript, that is C2. This C2 will be given for doing assignment as 1 molar or 0.1 molar or like that. Not aqueous they will give. Then it is to be noted that in this case n is equal to 2 and the concentration of Ag plus ion is squared. Please make a note, because the stoichiometric coefficient of Ag plus in the electrode reaction is 2. It is so also important to note that the multiplication of the electrode reaction by any factor does not change the value of E0. That E0 remains constant even if you multiply with 2 or 3. It is nothing to do with the E0, which is a constant standard value given in the electrochemical series. Therefore, in the above case, even after the multiplication of the electrode reaction, the value of E0 remains the same. For the cadmium electrode, write the equation, that is the Nernst equation. Please write by yourself and write how will you determine E of the cell. E of the cell is equal to electrode potential of the right, that is reduction electrode, minus electrode potential of the oxidation electrode or anode. That means we know that here it is the reduction electrode is silver and oxidation electrode is cadmium. Now you have to derive the equation by yourself. Don't look and copy it. By the knowledge that you gained, you find out E of the cell. By simply dictating and or reading this portion won't do any good for you. Therefore, E of the cell is equal to E0 of the cell minus 0.059 by 2. Log to the base 10. Concentration C1 by C2 raised to the power 2, that is Ag plus raised to the power 2 volt. If you get this answer, you understood how to calculate the E of the cell of any galvanic cell.